On Norway's west coast, surrounded by fjords and mountains, you'll find Stavanger, an unlikely location for an equity and fixed income fund manager. But it's here, far from the world's financial centres, that Tor Dagfinn Venn, Åge Vesper, Geir Chetland and Kristoffer Stensrud founded Skagen funds in 1993. They began by investing on behalf of friends and family. Their approach was often quirky, for example, selling fund units at the local petrol station. Today, 20 years later, Skagen Funds is Scandinavia's leading independent fund management company. And the key to the success, first and foremost, it's due to the Skagen investment philosophy, the brainchild of our ponytailed founder, Kristoffer Stensrud. As contrarians, we search for opportunities where no one else is looking. And this is where our 3 U's come in. We look for undervalued stocks and bonds, which can often be found in under-researched and unpopular companies and regions all over the world. Our portfolio managers do their own research, looking of course at the numbers, but also digging deep into qualitative criteria to get a detailed understanding of a company's intrinsic value and untapped potential. This kind of broad analysis takes time, and it can take several years before any investment is made. And when we do invest, it's also with a long-term view. Companies need time to produce sustainable results and thereby the highest possible return for our clients. At Skagen, we do things our own way, which is one of the advantages of independence. We don't have to meet quarterly targets and other short-term objectives. Instead, we take a long-term perspective, avoiding the kind of speculation and bubbles that develop when popular shares and bonds become overpriced. From the beginning, we've stuck to a narrow path and focused on what we're good at, finding undervalued stocks and bonds and providing clients with the best possible service, follow-up and communication. We steer clear of a financial environment that's growing more and more complex and only offer a few high-quality funds that we invest in ourselves. Both owners and employees have money in Skagen's funds, so like our clients, we have a vested interest in ensuring that our investments perform well. Strong client relations built on personal advice and openness about how we manage our clients' money are important. Transparency, honesty and trust are part of our Scandinavian heritage and are deeply anchored in Skagen's values. Today we have more than 150,000 direct clients in Norway alone, and our Stavanger base has spread to become offices in 5 European countries. And our 4 founders have become 175 employees who are ready to guide our young company safely into the future. Much has happened in 20 years, but the philosophy and values at the heart of Skagen's success are stronger than ever. It's not about growth, but about being the best and about the art of common sense.